Well, today we're going to take a little look at the sun turd. This project is going to get, unfortunately, aborted. It's a fairly complete car, no driveline, of course. Missing seats, they were gone before I got it. But it's got all the trim work and such on it, except for the little rubber strip that runs down the side that fell off. Fairly straight. It's, looked like something to do here. Yeah, I'm sorry for the too close of pictures, but it's tight in here. Still got a pile of stuff I cleaned out inside up there. But I'm going to show you why we are going to abort this thing. I'm going to raise her up here real quick. Get you sat down somewhere. We'll bring you back to the bad spots here. Take you underneath. Now you start under here, and she's got some dingus in the tank, and the rockers and the quarters they show some age. Got some flaky rust in there in that body brace. But my problem going to be these rear suspension mounts, torque boxes, whatever you want to call them. You can see the hoist is kind of settled into that one, and the hoist crushed into this guy. So I don't have the desire or the time to rebuild that. The rest of the floor pan doesn't have gaping holes in it, but that's a no-go for me. I'm not gonna try anything with that. So the sun turd, no, we're not gonna do it. Got the dinky little 10-bolt in there. But it's got some good stuff. All the grills in halfway reasonable shape, such as that. You don't want that tire anyhow. I'm going to keep some things off of it. Yeah, it's kind of lightened right there. I'm going to keep some things off this old girl, but for the most part, it's going to go. I'll keep these wheels, keeping the steering column and steering wheel. But no, I can't justify it. So if you were to be looking for Sunbird parts all in one pile, this 80 is going to get sold. I don't know who's going to buy it. I don't know who's going to want it. It can be here for a while, but it needs to go. So the sun turd's for sale. No papers. It is what it is. It's parts. If you're interested, send me an email. Got that in my description. Maybe we can work something out. So we're going to have to figure out a different project. Like I needed to figure out another project. Anyhow, this is Racer. We'll see you later. Comment, please comment. Give me ideas. Tell me I'm screwing up not fixing this car. I don't care. But hey, anyhow, we'll catch you on the next one.